issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Will County in northeastern Illinois, central Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m.
34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, raw forcing. Intent, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Storm for northwest Kankakee County. Hazard, 3-inch hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Mantino, Peatown, Limestone, and Bonfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains